All right, now we're on to step 4, which is to beautify your dashboard, basically to clean it up. You probably, if you're like me, you have a lot of courses from previous years on your dashboard. So what you're going to do is you're going to conclude courses that are done and you're never going to use again. That doesn't mean you're not going to use the content because you have access to the content. It just means it'll remove it from the student's dashboard and from yours. So my digital storytelling, this was my summer enrichment program. The class is over. I don't want anyone interacting with the class anymore, so I'm going to open it up. I'm going to slide down to settings. I want those kids cute. This is my home page. Okay, go to settings. And on the far right-hand side, you're going to say, it says conclude this course. Concluding this course means you're ending the course. You still have full access to the content. The kids can still see their work in the course if they want to look at it later, but no one can interact with the course. So I click conclude this course, and it does say, are you sure? And I'm going to say, yes, conclude this course. And that removes, you will notice, digital storytelling is now removed from my dashboard. Okay? So I hope this helps. You get started on a positive note. I know Canvas is complicated. It is a high learning curve, but I think you're going to find it's worth it. Have a great year.